Hello, hello, hello. I'm Mandy. This is Mental Health and Makeup with Mandy, and that's our lovely kitty Chaos. If you've been here before, yeah, I know my battery's dying. If you've been here before, you know she meows through the video. You also know she's happy and healthy and got a shiny new coat and is the coolest, cutest little kitty in the whole wide world. So guys, tomorrow at work, we're having a Mardi Gras party, and I volunteered to do face painting, which I've never done. Not to say that I haven't done makeup looks and Halloween looks and all of that. I have been a working makeup artist before. Not really, because I was working for Lancome, but still, you know what I mean. Anyway, I've never used these types of things. So I got them off Amazon, and let me show you what I got for 23 bucks, okay? And then we're gonna show you, I painted this little mushroom. I don't know what you can see. Baby, could you turn that ring light around? I had it turned around before, and I turned it back around so I could paint the mushroom. Now we gotta turn it back around again. It goes around again. It goes around again. That's a little better, yes. It's very bright now, and that's okay. So, I did this little mushroom to match my little earrings, and that was fun doing it freehand. I will say that these paints are like oil-based, and so you take them off with a makeup wipe. They come off pretty easily. They're very creamy, very pigmented, but they kind of take a long time to dry down. You almost need to fan it to dry it down. And fan it we will. But putting another color on top of it is a little difficult. Now, we also did Jason's face with a stencil, one of the stencils that came in this package. So let's get back to that. On Amazon, this is from Bobasuka. I think that's how you say it. I don't really know. I don't know. But this is the cream color palette. The top completely removes off of it so that you can get easily to all the paints. I absolutely love the design of it. I love the feel of the paints. Very creamy, very pigmented. I haven't touched the black one yet. Nice. Look at the pigmentation. I'm just saying. Okay. So, I got this along with a whole kit for face painting. This particular one was on Amazon, and it came with a triple blood kit for Halloween. So I was like, oh, I'll stash that. And it came with all of these face gems, which are really nice and look amazeballs. I'm not going to use those for that. I'm going to use this for the channel. So that sounds fun. It came with brushes. These are really actually very nice brushes. Whether or not they say value pack, they're still really nice brushes. And then I got all of these stencils and stickers to use. Got all kinds of things, and I'm so excited. People at work are excited. They're bringing their children. I'm terrified because I always feel like I need to be perfect at everything. I have a very hard time letting things go before perfection, and we all know that perfection is like a total illusion. So that's silly. But anyway, Jason's about to join me, and we're going to do some of the freehanding work on the dinosaur. In the last video, I was kind of grumpy because I felt like it wasn't working very well because it's extremely difficult to hold down a stencil on a human being. You breathe, you talk, you smile, you make some sort of face gesture, and then it becomes very hard to keep these stencils down, right? So, enter Jason. Oh no. Okay. Okay, sorry, my video ran out of space or something. I love this hatchet mirror, or whatever he's called, cleaver mirror. Jason says that this is pretty sharp and it might actually cut some vegetables. I don't know. Jason down here so I can finish this. The talent, right. The talent. He informed me as he sat down the first time that he was the talent. And I was like, but I'm doing the painting. And he's like, yeah, right. I'm the talent then. I wonder how popular this product is in the face painting community. All right. So we got a little bit of, see, it's just not close enough. It won't. So you can see how the stencil does okay, but it's actually still pretty wet. The paint just doesn't dry down, which is unfortunate. So I don't know, maybe next time we'll have to try a different type of paint. Look who got a sunflower. Lauren also got a sunflower. Ben got the lovely whale. Hello, hello, hello. I'm back. I know my makeup does not match my shirt, but that's because I'm getting ready to take all of this off and do a new video. So I wanted to pop back on and give you a final thoughts on this makeup. Was it successful in our face painting ventures? So even though we didn't get very many people, because our event got rained out, and it's amazing that the few people came who came, because it was like hurricane rain over here. It wasn't actually that bad, but you know what I'm saying. Pause for effect, that kind of thing. So my thoughts on the cream makeup. It's cream makeup, and I didn't think about this because I was thinking, well, it would still have to be, appropriate. They wouldn't sell it as a face painting thing if it wasn't appropriate for face painting, right? Well, what I failed to think about is that there's two different kinds of face makeup, right? And this is the kind that is for your base. So if you wanted a white base, or a yellow base, or a blue base, that's what this is for. And you can see I had to mix things with white to get what I wanted to do done. I was not able to do what I wanted to do as far as face painting goes because these were not water-based paints. So to have a successful face painting kit, if you're just doing the stencils or the little face painting here, just a little bit of something, you wouldn't need the cream makeup down underneath. You would just need the water-based makeup to make your designs. So making designs was impossible with this because it doesn't dry down. So if you are doing a design that requires any highlighting or outlining or any of that, you're not going to be able to do that because the makeup never dries down if you paint it on thickly like that. So we'll have to try this out as like a base makeup paint for something like editorial that we're doing for TikTok or whatever. I have been kind of eating my feelings lately, and I feel like I have definitely put on maybe a few little funsy pounds because I'm looking at my chin and I'm like, I think we're working on a double chin here. Anywho, I didn't get to use the blood. It's not Halloween yet. I'm not into that really. However, I don't think that this was a wasted purchase. I really kind of like the idea of doing like a purple face with like, I don't know. I think that that's fun. It's a whole different kind of makeup. So as far as the cream makeup part of it goes, this was really good makeup. So this is from Babasuka. I have no idea what that means. Now, the stencils were nice. The only thing I actually used was one of the stickers, which was the whale. That's all that I used. It was very easy to use, also easy to clean off and stick back on the sheet. So those are my thoughts about the face painting makeup that I bought off of Amazon. And stay tuned. At some point, we'll probably have an update where I will have bought the proper makeup because of this event, I was asked to do a friend's birthday party. Super stoked about that. Not her birthday party, but her daughter's. Super stoked about that. Gonna get the water-based paint. We'll make another video about her party. I think my next video is going to be a get ready with me. Thank you guys. I love you. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all those things. I always forget to say that. I really need to say that in my videos because, you know, I don't want people to forget about me and not watch my videos. So you should like and subscribe and leave a comment and be cool and don't be mean. That's not fun. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.